Welcome to the Preflight Checklist. Today's checklist is about what a pre-purchase inspection is meant to do. A common scenario plays out in aircraft transactions. An aircraft goes under contract and enters the pre-purchase inspection. The buyer, wanting the most complete information possible, sends the airplane to a model specialist or OEM service center. The inspection is thorough and the report comes back long. Every cosmetic item is documented. Aging paint is noted. Prior repairs are flagged. Minor hardware variations are listed. The recommended work can approach a significant portion of the purchase price. At that point, a fair question has to be asked. Is this what a pre-purchase inspection is meant to produce? These are the 5 things to understand about the purpose and scope of a pre-buy. Number 1. A pre-buy is a risk management exercise. The purpose of a pre-purchase inspection is not to rewind the aircraft to factory new condition. It begins with a clear question. Is the aircraft airworthy? And, if not, what is required to return it to service? From there, the focus shifts to material issues that affect safety of flight and economic value. The goal is understanding, not restoration. Number 2. The scope is narrower than most buyers expect. A useful pre-buy focuses on airworthiness, structural condition, engine health, and known problem areas for the make and model. It also looks forward. What maintenance events are approaching? What components are nearing the end of service life? What should be budgeted over the next several years? This scope is narrower than many buyers expect, but it is far more practical. Number 3. Not every discrepancy is a defect. As aircraft age, they accumulate wear. Paint fades, interiors show use, and components are replaced with serviceable alternatives. These are normal characteristics of a used aircraft. When every age-related item is framed as a deficiency, the report can shift perception from a maintained aircraft to a flawed one. That shift often introduces unnecessary doubt into the transaction. Number 4. Thoroughness and relevance are not the same. Specialized shops bring valuable experience. They know where to look and what matters for a specific make and model. They know what works, and more importantly, they know what doesn't work. That expertise is critical. But there is a difference between identifying meaningful discrepancies and cataloging every deviation from original condition. A delivery standard and an airworthiness standard are not the same thing. Number 5. Misaligned expectations create friction. When a pre-buy report becomes a comprehensive list of cosmetic and age-related items, negotiations can lose focus. Instead of addressing airworthiness and material value, the discussion shifts towards elective improvements. Buyers may feel exposed and sellers may feel pressured. In some cases, transactions fail not because the aircraft is unsuitable, but because the expectations were never aligned. From our perspective, a pre-purchase inspection should produce clarity. What must be corrected before closing? What should be planned in the near term? And what can reasonably be accepted as part of operating an aging aircraft? Airworthiness is a defined standard. Perfection is not. Buyers who understand that distinction tend to make better decisions and complete smoother transactions. This has been the Preflight Checklist.